Hello friends, here we will discuss input-output based arrangement, and this is very important for your upcoming PO as well as clerical examination. We will solve the important input-output based question, and then we will follow up 5 state based question. First understand the logic here, and then move to questions here. That's the only criteria for this session. Okay, so here's the question. Here's the first input. Just find out the logic and then we will solve the given input here. Okay, so first from 65 and 81, this gives 24, 47, 18, 46, 98, 21, this gives 86. So what could be the logic? 6, 5, 8, 1. First, if this is directed like that, we can solve it like the individual data we can take, individual digits we can take from this value. That is 6 and 8, difference is 2. Okay, 5 and 4, difference is 5 and 1, difference is 4. So we may understand that the difference of the first digit and difference of the second digit, but we will not stop here. Just to make it confirm whether it's correct or not, we will move further. 47, 18. Now 4 and 1 difference is 3, but here it's 4. 7 and 8 difference is 1, but here it's 6. So something difference. 4 and 8 difference is 4. 7 and 1 difference is 6. Okay, moving to next one. 98, 21. 9 and 2 difference again no. 9 and 1 difference is 8, and 8 and 2 difference is 6. Okay, so what's the logic here? That is in step 1. Okay, just here's the logic in step 1. Difference of odd digit and the second difference of even digit. Right, see here 6 and 8 we can take it as 2, and 5 and 1 it can be 4. 4 and 8 only take the difference. 4 and 8 the difference is 4, and 7 and 1 difference is 6. Even number, odd number, digits. And moving to step 2. Step 2, this is 26, 86. Okay. Now this 2, 4, 8 can be the logic. Otherwise, so in step 2, this is step 1, right? This is step 1. In step 2, this is okay. So 24, 46. So what it could be? 2, 6, 2, 6, 12, right? 2, 6. So this can be multiplied by 2, 6, and this is 4 and 4. So this can be 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, this can be logic, just confirm it. 4 and 6, that is 24. This is 24. And this is 6 and 8, 48. Right. Can you get the logic from here? See, 2 into 6, that is 12. 12 again, until we are not getting the single digit value, we just simply multiply the digit we are getting, just the previous step. That means 12 again multiplied 1 into 2, that gives 2. So 2 here is correct. Right. 4 into 4, that is 16. 16, 1 into 6, that gives 6. This is also correct. This is 4 into 6, that is 24. So this is 24. 2 into 4, that is 8. Yeah, correct. 4 into 8, that is 32. 32 again multiplied 3 into 2. The digits itself it gets multiplied, that is 6. So this is also satisfying. Now, in which manner I am taking the numbers here, that is the extreme end value. That is, here it's 2, here it's 4. Here it's 4, here it's 4. The either side extreme value we are taking, and the either side inside value we are taking, and they are getting multiplied separately until we are getting a single digit value, right? So this is the logic. Again, this 46 comes to this 86 as well. Again, this 4 gets multiplied with 6, and this 6 would get multiplied with this 8. Hope this is clear. Until we are not getting the single digit value, we will still multiplying the same. Okay. Okay. And now step 3. In step 3, okay, yeah, step 3 is easy. 2 plus 8, the first digit of both the number and second digit of both the number. Right. In step 4, now this is simple. 10 plus 12, this is 22. 22 gets multiplied by 2. This gets step 4. Also, we can get the value like this in step 4. Step 2 is okay. Step 3 is also okay. And step 4. The square of number, that is 12 square, 10 square. 144 minus 100. This is 44. Again, satisfying. So, two different logic it can be. This is the first one. This is the second one. We have to consider both this logic if there is either option comes in any particular question we are going to solve after this. Okay. So, we have to follow both this logic to solve all the 5 questions in a better manner. So, here input, just solve it out. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and here it's step 4. So, in first step, 58 goes with 90. 5 and 9, both are odd numbers. So, this is 4. 8 and 0, that is 48. Second, 81, 23. Okay, so this is 6 and this is 2. And this one, this is 1 and 7, this is 6. 6 and 2, that is 4. Now, take the extreme value of both this number, that is 48 and 62. So, 4 and 2, that is 8. Single digit we are getting, so that is fine. 6 into 8, that is 48. 48, 4 into 8, 32. 32, 3 into 2, that is 6. So, this is 86. Now, again 62 and 64 we are dealing here. Now, 6 into 4, that is 24. 24, 2 into 4, that is 8. Now, this is 6 into 2, 12. 2 into 1, that is 2. Now, in step 3, that is 8 plus 8, that is 16 here. And 6 plus 2, that is 8. Now, in step 4, 16 plus 8 we can take, that is 24. 24 multiplied by 2, that is 48. Or 16 square, that is 256, and 8 square, that is 64. So, this gives 192. So, there are two different values in step 4. Just keep this thing in mind and we will solve the questions here. Okay, just copy this part to the next page. Okay, here it is. Right. Make it a little bit shorten here and hope this would be okay. Right. I hope the logic is clear to you. This logic seems to be easier, but you have to solve lots of questions, only then you can get this kind of logic in a jiffy, right? Otherwise, if you can solve this by taking 5-7 minutes, this is not of good use. You have to solve within 2 to 3 minutes and get all the 5 questions correct here. So, what's the difference between the numbers in step 2? Step 2, that is 86, 82, that is 4. Some of the highest numbers in step 2 and step 3, this is 16 and this is 86, so 102. What is the value in step 4? Step 4, that is 48 or 192. So, not both, but it is like this. Either A and B. Either A or B. Right? So, option D is the correct one. What is the difference of highest and lowest number in step 1? This is 48 and 64. So, this is 16 here. What is the sum of the highest digit in input and highest digit in input, highest number in input, that is 90, and the lowest number in step 3, that is 8. So, 98 is the answer here. Okay. Highest number in input and lowest number in step 3. Yeah, 98 is the answer, right? So, you can understand that this is not at all tough, but yes, you can solve it only by practicing multiple number of questions, and the time is a key factor here. So, you have to keep that thing in mind and solve more number of questions to minimize the time factor in this particular questions. Solve 5 questions within 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes is absolutely fine if you have well practiced in this particular topic. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching.